I am the crew commander of the Olifant Mark II tank. This is the loader of the Mark II, the driver, and the gunner. Thank you.
The Husky is a mine detection vehicle. The one that you demonstrated was the autonomous vehicle, which is designed and produced and manufactured by DCD Protected Mobility in South Africa. It's to detect landmines or detect threats within the route clearance system. The vehicle on the live demonstration is the autonomous version of the Husky.
The second vehicle from Denel in the live demonstrations here at AAD 2016 is the CASSPR with the automatic transmission. We have found from feedback of the user that in Africa during operations with the manual gearbox they find a lot of problems. Also the engine is underpowered, so we have developed the CASSPR, let's call it the CASSPR automatic version at this point in time. With the automatic transmission, which gives you better mobility, ease of driving for the drivers, much easier, higher mobility, and we've also improved on the engine to take it in and out at a faster rate when you break down. And these are basically two improvements. We have also done some small improvements on the electronic system of the vehicle, but all of this makes the CASSPR a much more reliable vehicle than the old CASSPR with the manual gearbox. Inside the layer with the driver, we have done the ergonomics, changed it a bit to make it a bit easier for the driver as well, yes. The RG31 Mark V EHM, which has been on display during the demonstration, differs from our normal RG31 Mark V in terms of the letters, like it says EHM, Extended High Mobility Vehicle. So this RG35 is about 400 millimeters longer than the old RG35 to give you more inside space. The high mobility, saying what it says, we now have a 300 horsepower engine, where the previous one was 250 horsepower. So giving the RG35 more space and higher mobility. The other difference between it, the RG31 Mark V normal one has a leaf spring suspension, where the RG35 EHM is now fitted with an independent suspension system.
This is the Mbombe, or the MRAP 4x4 from Paramount Group. We are here with a live show demonstrating the vehicle and putting it through its paces. Yeah, this vehicle have a top speed of about 150 kilometers an hour. It's a very strong vehicle, 450 horsepower, very reliable, and handling is of the best in the world. We have tested it in Saudi Arabia. Very good runner, holds up in any condition, even off-road or on-road.
This is the newest 8x8 vehicle, and it has all independent system in all wheelbase. So it's very good to drive in that kind of track you have here. Main armament. This is the 30mm local gun made by Denel.
This vehicle behind me here, it can take 48 rounds, of which is high explosive HE. It can fire the distance of 3.5 kilometers. The main armament is 76mm, and can also fire 12.7 here with Brownie machine gun here by this vehicle. In fact, we use it for aggressiveness and reconnaissance.
The tank that you see in front of you is a Olifant Mark II tank. It's a South African main battle tank. It's the improvement of the older Olifant Mark I-A tank. The weight of this tank is 60.5 tons. It consists of the crew of 4 members. The commander is myself, the loader, the gunner, and the driver. The main armament of the tank is 105mm cannon, quick firing semi-automatic cannon. The tank itself it has an integrated firing system whereby it consists of 3 cameras, and it also has a thermal view for during at night when you attack during at night. My impression about the Olifant is that the Olifant tank is one of the best tanks that I ever used in the South African National Defence Force because of the engine. It has a strong engine. Also, it is more comfortable to operate inside and easier to operate.
I am Corporal Ramabileta, the crew commander of the vehicle behind me, ROOKAT, of which is 8x8. Next to me, I have my gunner. Next to the gunner is my driver, of which the last person is my loader.